Freshly minted Mayor of Sacramento. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mayor Sarah.
I want to thank the Sacramento African American Nonprofit Coalition, otherwise known as SAANC. And somebody said to me earlier, SAANC rhymes with thank. And I think that's an appropriate way to kick off today's luncheon. To say thank you for all the people here today and all the members of your foundation consortium, your consortium of nonprofits, who devote yourself to community and devote yourself to providing hope and inspiration to so many.
So hopefully today we are going to get food in the form of knowledge and in the form of support for one another so that we can continue to build these bridges to help, especially for our young children, as Mayor Steinberg mentioned. Now, for example, we've got a fabulous artist today, Shauna McDaniels. She is with Sojourner Truth Museum. Fantastic. She's amazing. She's got some of her pieces that are available for sale today. So if you're looking for something for your office, maybe you're looking for a Mother's Day, Father's Day gift, whatever may be approaching, that would be a good way to support, shop local, and also provide some of that cultural experience, okay? So feel free to do that. And of course, Sojourner Truth is one of the same organizations that of course has been working in philanthropy and trying to get those donation dollars to circulate more through the African American community.
President and CEO of the California Wellness Foundation. In her role, she uses her vision and her voice to help California Wellness Foundation level the playing field so that everyone has access to good-paying jobs, safe neighborhoods, and quality health care services. Ms. Bell is a seasoned leader with more than 25 years of senior management experience in the philanthropic, government, nonprofit, and corporate sectors. And I just want to add that the California Wellness Foundation is a great supporter of Yes to College for the last 4 years. And Judy, we definitely appreciate that. So without further ado, Ms. Judy Bell.
So first things first, so Judy Bell, you are the President and CEO of California Wellness Foundation. So kind of explain to us exactly what the Wellness Foundation does and then your role in it.
That's right. This is my third year heading up the California Wellness Foundation. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the background, because one of the messages that I want to leave you with is really trying to demystify the philanthropic world. We as folks of color really need to understand how philanthropy works, and it's very mysterious. As someone told me, you know, I submit a grant to a foundation, it goes in a black hole, and either I get a grant or I get a rejection. I don't know what happens. But the first thing you should always ask when you're dealing with a philanthropist, whether it's an individual, whether it's a foundation, private foundation, or whether it's a corporate foundation, whether it's a community foundation, is you need to understand where the money came from. So we really do feel that our goal is to serve the people of California. We don't think it's by accident that there's a disproportionate number of folks of color in the criminal justice system, and we have been providing a lot of funding to advocacy groups to look at that.
And we're all in touch with what brings us to the table today. And it's so important that each one of us here recognizes that we are not powerless to change the situation. Dr. King said everybody can be great because anybody can serve. You only need a heart full of love and a soul generated by grace. Do we have hearts full of love in this room today? Do we have souls generated by grace today? The big day of giving is so important for non-for-profit organizations. And some of the larger non-for-profit organizations benefit greatly. I'm a member of the American Leadership Forum. And many of us in the American Leadership Forum and our different classes, we contribute greatly on the big day of giving. It gets very exciting at that time. But if you're not as well known, you have to do what this organization has done. Come together. Get a head start. Do you know how important it is for this organization to get a head start today? The big day of giving is in when? In May. What month is this? Do you see what we have to do just to be at the table? To really benefit. And I want to ask you to prove that you're a true stakeholder. To prove that you're a true stakeholder and supporter. And give them all the encouragement that they need by making a pledge today.
I want to talk a little bit about our theme, which was discovering the power of partnership. So very, very important in the African American community. And I had to learn that a long time ago, that to build your own organization, you have to learn to work with other people. You have to learn how to bring people on to your organization to become staff, volunteers. You have to know how to manage those people, how to serve those needs so they can serve your needs.
When strangers encircled round a common cause and found a worthy reason indeed to build and fulfill unmet community needs, a singular mission became fueled by a partnering drive as 8 organizations joined together and strive to heed the social and spiritual call of weaving a tapestry out of their services to benefit us all. Tired of shouldering the burden of philanthropy all alone, we decided to become a team to break the cycle of being underfunded and combat a glass ceiling which sought to negate our dreams. Our individual flickers of light, now united, began to burn bright. Producing a steady glow, our coalition was formed, and we began to grow. We, who now call ourselves SAANC, looked around and realized that a village is needed if we were to survive. Thus we began this unified journey, side by side, by side, by side, by side, by side, by side.